Hello Math Wizards! Welcome back to our Math online tutorial. It's me again, Teacher Chris, and I will be your teacher for today. So, are you ready to learn math today? If yes, come and join me in today's lesson. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to solve problems involving multiplication of whole numbers. Hello kids, it's me again, Teacher Chris, and I will be your teacher for today. In our today's lesson, it's all about solving routine and non-routine word problems involving multiplications of whole numbers, including money. After going through this module, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine word problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies. Routine problem solving, it is a type of problem with an immediate solution. It involves at least one of the four arithmetic operations to solve the problem. While non-routine problem solving, any complex problem that requires some degree of creativity and originality to solve the problem. Oftentimes, non-routine problems can be solved in multiple ways. Non-routine problems can be solved without using standard procedure. They can be solved by drawing a picture, using a number line, acting out, making a table, and others. To solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools, follow the following steps. Step 1 is to understand. Know what is asked, know the given facts, if any, determine the hidden questions. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to use. Write the number sentence. Next is to solve. Use the operation to solve. Last is to check and look back. Write the correct answer. Let's have an example. Shane made 80 sampaguita garlands. Each garland costs 15 pesos. If she sold all the sampaguita garlands, how much will she earn for the garlands? Step 1 is to understand. What is asked in the problem? Correct. How much will Shane earn for selling sampaguita garlands? Or you can also answer Shane's total earnings in selling sampaguita garlands. Next question is, what are the given facts? The given facts are 80 sampaguita garlands and 15 pesos for every sampaguita garlands. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to use. In this problem, we're going to use the operation multiplication. Then write the number sentence. The number sentence is 80 times 15 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. So let's multiply 80 and 15. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So our first partial product is 400. And then, let's multiply 1 and 0. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Next is 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, our second partial product is 80. Then let's add 480. So bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. And then, let's check and look back. Shane's total earnings in selling sampaguita garlands is 1,200 pesos. Let's have another example. Pen supplies 10 dozens of eggs a day to a store. How many eggs does he supply to the store in 2 weeks? Step 1 is to understand what is asked in the problem. How many eggs does he supply to the store in 2 weeks? Or the total number of eggs Pen supplies in 2 weeks. What are the given facts? The given facts in this problem are 10 dozen of eggs and 2 weeks. So 10 times 12 is equal to 120 pieces per day. In 2 weeks, 7 times 2 is equal to 14 days. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. In this problem, we're going to use the multiplication. Write the number sentence. Our number sentence is 120 times 14 is equal to n. So let us try to solve. Let's multiply 120 and 14. So 4 times 0 is equal to 0. Then let's multiply 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then let us multiply 4 and 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So our first partial product is 480. And now, let us multiply 1 to 0. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Next is, let's multiply 1 and 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Last one is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, our second partial product is 120. So let's add 480 and 120. Let's bring down 0. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Bring down 1. Then let's check and look back. Pen supplies 1,680 pieces of eggs in 2 weeks. To check your mastery, read and analyze the problem. Solve the problem by applying the steps in solving word problems. Let's check your work. Aldrin bought 12 boxes of biscuits. Each box contained 125 pieces of biscuits. How many biscuits does he have? Step 1 is to understand what is asked in the problem. The answer is, how many biscuits does Aldrin have? Or the total number of biscuits Aldrin bought. Step 2. What are the given facts? The given facts are 12 boxes of biscuits and 125 pieces of biscuits per box. Next is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. The operation that we need to use is multiplication. Write the number sentence. Our number sentence is 125 times 12 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. Let us multiply 125 and 12. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Carry 1. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Plus 1 is equal to 5. Next is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, our first partial product is 250. Next is 1 times 5. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Then 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, our second partial product is 125. So let's add 250 and 125. Let's bring down 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Plus 2 is equal to 5. Then bring down 1. Step 4 is to check and look back. Adrian bought 1,500 pieces of biscuits. Next is, in a mini concert, the ticket booth sold 85 booklets. Each booklet has 10 tickets. If ticket costs 20 pesos, how much is the total sale of the booth? Step 1 is to understand what is asked in the problem. The answer is, how much is the total sale of the booth or the total sales of the ticket booth? Next is, what are the given facts? The given facts in this problem are the total number of tickets, which is equal to 85 times 10 is equal to 850 tickets. Next is, each ticket costs 20 pesos. Step 2 is to plan. Determine the operation to be used. The operation that we need to use is the multiplication. Next is, write the number sentence. Our number sentence is 85 times 10. Then, when we get the product of 85 and 10, it will be multiplied to 20 equals n. So 850 times 20 is equal to n. Step 3 is to solve. So let us multiply 850 and 20. 0 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 5 is equal to 0. 0 times 8 is equal to 0. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. 2 times 5 is equal to 10.
Carry 1 to 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Plus 1 is equal to 17. Let's bring down 0, 0, 0, 17. Step 4 is to check and look back. The total sales of the ticket booth is 17,000.
Now you know how to solve word problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools. Always remember that you can always watch again this video for the enhancement of your learning. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot on our today's lesson. Once again, I am Teacher Chris saying that learning math is fun. See you on our next video. Bye!